In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a playlist on the Viki app by Rakuten, simple and easy. So you hop on your app like this, and what you do next is you tap on the me at the bottom right corner of your screen here, just tap on that. And on this section, you see the collections there, just tap on that. And now we need to create our own collection. So we tap on the plus button there, you see the blue icon, bottom right of your screen too as well. You make it public, so if someone views your profile, they are going to see your playlist. So let's make it sweet movies. Sweet. Let's make it sweet dreams. You can add descriptions and you submit it. It will be saved, right? Good. So now you can tap on the plus button here to add a movie. You can just tap on that to search for the movie and then you add it. But then I know you're not going to do that. Definitely you have to see a movie on your home screen and then you try to add it later before you go and watch it. So let's say I've seen this video, Ocean Rescue. Good. So let's say I've seen this video and I want to add it to the playlist. I tap on the three bars at the top right corner of your screen and you can see add to collection. You just tap on the add to collection there and I add it to Sweet Dreams. And that's it. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.